How to cook courgettes? That's the annual summer question when we have too many of those yellow or green veg. I say don't cook them. They are the best raw. They need to be sliced very thinly, so the super slicing Japanese mandolin will do that job beautifully. Just watch your fingers. It's best to wear the special protective gloves. What if you don't have a mandolin? Well, that's not a problem because an old-fashioned vegetable peeler can do it too. Courgettes are one very watery vegetable, so we need to draw some moisture out of these ribbons, pack them into a bowl, and we are going to toss them with about half a teaspoonful of sugar and a whole teaspoon of salt. The extras are a handful of raisins, and a few slivers of garlic. Set it up over a sieve or a colander, set over a bowl and leave for at least half an hour. A little bit of water has come out, but we need to give the courgettes a good squeeze as well. And pat them dry with paper towels. Arrange them in a bowl and squeeze over half a lemon. Now watch my tip. If you wrap half the lemon in paper towel, none of those pesky pips will escape into the salad. Toss again, and then it will have to chill for about between 15 minutes to an hour. After that, the final touches: toasted almond flakes, some fresh mint leaves, a drizzle of olive oil, and a touch of honey. Optional, slivered pistachios. You can also add some green nori flakes if you've got any. Isn't it summer on a plate? You can hardly recognize plain old boring courgettes.